Good afternoon. Here's my presentation that highlights my design decisions when I created my infographic about worldwide water and sanitation service access. I will discuss 4 principles of design and the decisions I made with each principle throughout this presentation. The 4 principles I will cover are proximity and alignment, closure, similarity and anomaly, finally, color theory. For proximity and alignment, I decided that I wanted to arrange the text and figures on my infographic so it was clear and easier to read. To accomplish this, I aligned the leftmost edge of the information below the title of the infographic. After aligning the edges, I provided a uniform space between each text and image position, as shown here. I made these decisions because it formats the infographic much like a written paper. There's leftmost alignment, there's spacing enough between items that they are easy to see, and there are large spaces, similar to a paragraph break in a writing, where a new piece of information begins. Though I did not utilize a lot of symbols or icons in this infographic, I still used the principle of closure throughout it. I used closure very heavily in the figure that shows the population of people who are without access to clean, safe water. I use closure in the people icons, as shown here, to provide a visual representation of the data I presented beforehand and to put the data in terms that people can better visualize. For similarity and anomaly, I used a group of icons, again, the people icons as shown here, to highlight the key piece of data I wanted to convey. By using these icons and using the concept of similarity and anomaly, the discrepancies in the colors here between the lighter blue and the darker blue, I was able to highlight very easily for anyone of any education level to see the difference in access to clean water. For the color theory portion of the infographic, I used a blue monochromatic color scheme, as can be seen throughout. I used the blue color scheme because it reads well on the dark background, provides different colors for different subjects, different highlights of colors, shows the difference in access to clean water, dirty water, and it shows the difference in access to water sources and sanitation service access. And on top of all this, it also better captures the mood, as the information that is presented in this infographic, though very important, is not necessarily happy information, but it is very important because it is a very real problem affecting the world today. So these are just a few of the design decisions I made when creating this infographic. If you have any questions about the process I used or about the data I cited, please feel free to contact me. Have a great rest of your day.